In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a developer account. To get started, make sure you are already logged into your PayPal account. This is important because the developer portal is connected to your existing PayPal profile, so being signed in first helps the process go smoothly. If you are not logged in yet, go ahead and sign in before moving forward. Taking care of this first can save you time and prevent confusion when the developer site tries to recognize your account. Once you are successfully logged in, the next step is to go to developerpaypal.com. You can type that address directly into your browser's address bar and press enter. This will take you to PayPal's developer platform, which is the place where you can access tools and features intended for development and testing. If you are setting up integrations, working with APIs, or preparing to build with PayPal services, this is the area you will use. When the page loads, because you were already signed into your PayPal account, you should now be logged in automatically on the developer site as well. This is the expected result, and it confirms that your developer access is connected to your main account. At this point, you are inside the PayPal developer environment and ready to continue with whatever setup or testing you need to do next. If the site does not log you in right away, a quick refresh or signing in again through the developer page usually resolves it. Also, make sure you are using the same browser session where your PayPal account is already open, since switching browsers or using private mode can sometimes interrupt the automatic login. Small details like that can make a difference. Another helpful tip is to double check the web address to make sure you are on the official developer portal. Since this area is used for technical setup, it is always a good idea to confirm you are in the right place before continuing. Keeping your browser updated can also help prevent loading or sign-in issues, and that's all it takes to set up access to a PayPal developer account. The key is to first sign in to your regular PayPal account, then go to developer.paypal.com, and you should be logged in automatically. Once you reach that point, your developer environment is ready to use.